Welcome back, guys, to another Mayota Guys Hot Wheels Workshop. Alright, guys, so you caught me red-handed. So what we're doing right now is doing just a little customization on certain cars. Like, for example, I'm working on one of these Eurofast, the BMW M3 E46. I'm also working on the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno. I still don't have no idea what I'm gonna do with this one. Then I'm also working on the BMW M3 E36 from Eurofast. Okay, so I'm just doing a little, just decals. I'll show you in a minute what I've been working on. This is my work of art. Is the BMW again from the Eurofast 5 out of 5 M3 E46. Okay. Now the ones I just finished was this one. Trust 99. Same thing. BMW Eurofast M3 E46. And the last one is mind that wheels are different. They have not been painted. Okay. They're not being painted, and they're totally different from the original wheels. You can tell. So I got these done. This one, wow, look at those wheels. Awesome. This is the Golf. Look at that. And from those, of course, I put these wheels on the Acura, the Honda NXS 2003 Type R. Nice. Now I'm gonna show you a couple of cars that I was able to find great finds. One of them is a Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo. I always like the back of this car. So stealthy. We're gonna work on this one. We're gonna do a custom on it, some paint job, and some wheel swapping. I just like the pearl white that it comes with. I don't know if you noticed, but the light and the camera doesn't do any justice on this. The red interior. It's a very nice car. I love it. I got the red one, the blue one, and the Asian one that says I think it's Chinese or Japanese. No, Japanese more likely. Police. T-top and everything. Has a wide body. Real nice. We'll see how this one turns out. Then we got the 95 Mazda RX-7. Look at those decals. Well, they're not decals, I think. They're just HKS, Yokohama, RXS. The only thing is that they didn't put any lights, only those little corner lights. So we'll fix that. Fast and Furious. Real nice. So these are old finds. I've had them before, but it's always fun to find them again and redo customs on it. This was a gift from my friend Nacho. Thanks a lot, Nacho. Thank you. So he gave me this as a gift. It's a custom Datsun 240Z. Real nice. Then we got the Dodge van. Now this one's cool. I already have it. Maybe I got two more of these, but they're inside of the box. This one I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll do something to it. Costume something. I'll keep you updated on what I'm gonna do with this. So these are These are old finds, good finds, but old finds. They've been around. Oh, I almost forgot. This is the latest one. I also have this one, but in blue. 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. Now look at that. That's what I'm talking about. See? That's what I'm talking about. See? The front has headlights, parking lights, rear stop lights, Hot Wheels license plate on it. Now this is going to become a great custom. Oh yeah. Can never have enough with Subarus, Datsuns. And now I'm into European, the BMWs. So yeah, let's get to it. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Hit the like button, smash it. Smash the like button, please. Subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. It's pretty nice to subscribe. It's for free. So yeah, that way we can bring more content to this channel. And that's what I'm building here with you guys. I'm trying to build a specific, unique environment, a specific, nice audience like yourselves. Thank you so much for your support. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to build. A great audience, people that have the passion about, you know, hunting for Hot Wheels, customizing, sharing the new upcoming of Hot Wheels. Pretty soon, hopefully soon, I'll be sure I have a surprise for you guys on the channel. But it seems like by the end of this month we will find out whether I'm gonna be able to get a hold of a couple of treasures. And well, there's nothing new. It's the fast wagons from car culture, the fast wagons, and also the team transports. Oh yeah, that the team transport comes with 3 spectacular vehicles. Oh yeah. So as it's the same as of fast wagons from car culture. So yeah, that's the surprise. But I still don't have them yet. They're on their way. And thanks to my car club SoCal Hot Wheels collectors that they're making it happen for us. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get to it. This is the progress that we're in with the Eurofast BMW. So BMW M3 E36, and we also have the BMW M3 E46. So it's still in progress. I'm just showing you. Oh, and the Toyota, we changed the wheels. We swapped them for those. Those are JDMs, 4 JDMs only. We put a decal from Jay's Racing. So yeah, so that's progress that we have. I'm also testing. I'm just testing. This is just a test car right here. Okay, this is the Nissan 370Z. So I put on the original white color some glitter. I should have done this the other way around, but I put some glitter on it. Then I put some bronze color on top and some prime and some clear coat. So it's still under construction. I don't know how it's gonna look. We're gonna remove the wheels as well. We're gonna swap them. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I was trying to aim for a nice camel color, but for now, this is what I came up with. And yeah, it's okay. I think I practice. Like I said, this is my first time doing it. Okay, so yeah, it looks like I just splattered some paint on it and that was it. But I kind of have an idea what else to do with this. But this is gonna be a little bit later. But this is the one that I'm working on. So I'm gonna see what kind of wheels we're gonna swap on the M3 Fast, Euro Fast. I already showed you the other ones that I've come up with. Got some wheels here. I'm gonna have to look which ones. Got some more here. Yeah, this is like wheel heaven. I'm going here. Got some more. So we'll see. We'll see what we can come up with. Yeah, so far so good. I'll keep you updated. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, guys. Come on, so we could bring good content on these awesome videos. See this? So I kept the original M3 wheels on this. It looks much better than look. Check that out. Gives it a different look. So yeah, this is my Hot Wheels workshop, my Yoda's Hot Wheels workshop. So what I need to show you is this: the great finds for $1. Okay, 5 vehicles for $1. So I got them just for the fact of any modification, customization that I want to do on either or. So I got me this. Bam! It's beautiful. Look at that. Very detailed. It's a Hot Wheels motorcycle. State Trooper. Look, pretty big, but it's awesome. So I'm gonna add it to my collection. You already seen the. If you've seen the videos, look at my videos, and you'll see the massive collection of motorcycles that I have. Look at that. Hot Wheels motorcycle, that is. So we got this. I got me this gasser. Check this out. I love demolition. Whoa. Cruise Bruiser. Look at that. Cruise Bruiser. So it looks like let me see what it is. It's a Cruiser Bruiser 2015. Doesn't say what kind of wagon this is. I'm assuming it could be a Buick or Chevy. But yeah, check that out. We'll see what we do with this. Number 2. I found 2 of these beauties. Look at that. Looks like the Bone Shaker. But this one's called Bone Speeder. Bone Speeder. As a speed. Look at that. I wonder what kind of mischief I'm gonna get myself into. Got a red one. And the last, whoa, Look at this transporter. Look. And it also has a ramp. So I wonder what we're gonna do with this. It has metal on the bottom, metal here, die cast, and of course the upper body is plastic. So maybe I'm gonna remove this. Put in your comments. Should I remove this? It's removable. Oh yeah, look. Nice. Nice. Check that out. Let me get it closer. Oh yeah. We're definitely gonna do something with this. I guess this is for this windbreaker. But kind of tight. I like it like this better. Get to see the whole car. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends and family. Hello. And big shout outs to Latest Collectibles, SoCal Hot Wheels Collectors, 814 DMV Diecast, and Despachando Hot Wheels. ¿Cómo estás, amigo? Alright guys, see you and I'll keep you updated. Take care. Bye.